I have had an email this morning that has really put a little naughty, little cheeky, little smile on my face this morning. So the email started off with, "My builder is a wanker," hence the title of this video. Now, this was a job that we priced up back in, where are we now? August. So we was back in February. We priced up a full house refurb for a chap out at Winterton, which is a little town it's about 8 miles from our office. We gave the guy a visit, which we charged him for. He paid our visit fee, and then we went away and produced what we call an RFI, request for information. So that request for information went back to the client for him to answer, so we could then finalize our price. And the three things that we asked for was a program of works. You know, when did he expect us to start, and when did he expect us to finish, and what milestones, check-ins were there on the way during that period. We needed a specification, so we wanted to know what products that he wanted putting back into this house, and to what standard did he want them doing to. So those were the three pieces of information that we asked for. His email back to us at the time was, "I ain't got time for that. I'm going to go with someone else that's not going to fuck me about and ask for this information." Straight away, I'm sort of thinking, yeah, I don't really want to be working with this guy. And it's one of the reasons to set up this training academy in the first place, because I didn't want to be working for fucking bellends like this. So anyway, where was I? And we then moved that on, put it to bed, and it went into the folder as a lead that wouldn't be converted. This is in our construction business. Well, this chap has emailed me this morning and said that my builder's a wanker. So straight away, I know he's in bother. He's in hot water of some description, and that has prompted this video. He's gone on to say that his builder has gone over time, he's gone over budget, and he hasn't put in the stuff that he wanted putting in. Now, I know what's happened here. He's engaged with another builder that was cheaper, that didn't ask him for the information that is absolutely critical to getting that project over the line. So he's gone on and said, it's gone over. It's gone over what? You didn't provide a program in the first place. So what has it gone over? Has it gone over a period that you had in your head? It's gone over budget. Did you communicate a budget? Because you didn't give me one. So how has he got one? How has this other guy got one? He probably hasn't. He probably never produced a budget. And he may have had a budget in his head, but he hasn't communicated it because he thinks that this budget should be kept a secret and kept from the builder. But how can he possibly hit your budget if you don't share that budget with him? And then lastly was the specification. He went on to say quite a list of things that the builder had put in without asking him. It was things like sockets in the wrong place, the wrong type of door, stuff like that. But he never produced a specification in the first place. So how can the builder meet his expectations in terms of program, budget, and products? He just can't. It's impossible. So if you're not prepared to do the fucking work up front then and provide this information to the builder, how can he possibly ever meet your expectations? He just can't do it. So what I'm going to respond back to this guy is this morning, it's going to be, can you send me a program? Can you send me a budget? And can you send me a specification and standard that you said, that you're saying that this guy hasn't achieved, he hasn't met your expectations, those three things. And I know 100% what's coming back, but we will see. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you this morning. Have a great day, and I'm sure I will. Ciao for now.